Here I am in the beautiful Björnö Nature Reserve. The objective for today was to fly the DJI Neo over water. DJI Neo is notorious for crashing when flying over water, so this could be exciting. The first flight, I flew the Neo over ground. By the way, Björnö Nature Reserve is an incredible nice area suitable for hiking. It's located in the Stockholm archipelago. But why is the DJI Neo prone to crash over water? Some they say it happens when the Neo isn't connected to enough GPS satellites. Others say that the Neo can't handle the reflections from the water. Well, I myself, I don't know, so I guess I have to try and see. I made sure I had connection with at least 20 GPS satellites. I started with a short distance. I flew about 3 to 4 meters over the water. So far, so good. Happy with my success so far, I decided to go all in. Just a quick change of the battery pack. Okay, time to cross the whole bay on higher altitude. Little bit windy. I decided to go even higher. Here something happened. Now things started to go sideways. But at least I managed to turn the Neo around. The Neo is drifting totally out of control. When you realize the game is almost over, I already accepted my fate. The Neo was going to crash. But in the last second when the Neo came in over ground, I suddenly had control again. Conclusion: when I started the flight, the Neo was connected to 20 plus GPS satellites. So this time it indicates it might have been the reflections from the water that caused the incident. Give a comment if you have any suggestions about the matter. Thanks.